Welcome to My Skills, My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of RRB Group D, which was held on 22nd August 2022 in shift 3. Okay, here we are going to discuss some questions of RRB Group D, especially we are focusing on arithmetic, aptitude and reasoning. Okay, right. See the question here. In this question, a statement is followed by two conclusions. A statement is followed by two conclusions. So, which of the two conclusions is true with respect to the statement? Okay. See, the statement is here, and conclusion is two conclusions are here. Okay. See the first conclusion: S less than G. S less than G. So, here we have S. Okay. And here we have G. If you see that here S greater than H, H less than G. So, here we have G. Okay. So, by seeing it, we cannot define a particular relation between S and G. Okay. So, why? Because here we have greater than symbol, here we have less than symbol. So, that is why we cannot define a particular relation between S and G. So, one conclusion is false. Okay, right. See the conclusion 2 here, S greater than or equal to A. Okay, if you see that here A is equal to F, F greater than or equal to S. Okay, we can write as A greater than or equal to S, but here is S greater than or equal to A. Okay, so by seeing it, we can say that conclusion 2 is also false. Okay, right. So, see the option 1 only 2 is true. No. Option 2 neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 1 is true. Okay. So, these two are wrong conclusions. Okay. So, option 2 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Okay, see the question here. A shopkeeper bought 12 dozen eggs at rate of 5 per each egg. Okay, a shopkeeper bought 12 dozen eggs at the rate of rupees 5 per egg. So, 12 eggs broken. Okay, 12 eggs broke in the transit. He sold the remaining eggs at a rate of 6 per egg. Okay, at the rate of 6 per egg. Find his percentage of profit. Okay, find is percentage of profit, means we need to find profit percentage. So, profit percentage is equal to, we have the formula, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. Okay, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay, so profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So, where selling price is greater than cost price, where selling price is greater than cost price. See here, a shopkeeper bought 12 dozen eggs at rate of 5 per egg. Okay, so in 1 dozen we have 12 eggs. Okay, in then, so we have 12 eggs. Okay, right. So each egg cost is 5 rupees. So 12 into 5. So nothing but, so 1 dozen cost is 60 rupees. 1 dozen cost is 60 rupees. So he bought 12 dozen. Okay, so 12 dozen means 12 into 1 dozen cost is 60. So 12 into 60, 12 6 are 72, 0. So 12 dozen of X cost is 720. So 720 is the cost price. Okay, 720 cost price of 12 dozen of X is 720. Okay, right. So, but here 12 eggs broken in the transit. Okay, 12 eggs broken in the transit, and the remaining eggs is at the rate of 6 per egg. Okay, so each egg cost, each egg selling price is 6 rupees. Okay, so 12 into 6, each egg selling price is 6, so 72. So 1 dozen selling price of eggs is 72. Here, okay, here 12x means 1 dozen, 1 dozen is damaged, 1 dozen is broken in transit, means remaining 11 dozen eggs are there. So 11 dozen eggs, each dozen sold at 72. Why? Because each egg cost, each egg selling price is 6. Okay, so 792 is the selling price of 11 dozen eggs. Okay, so selling price of all eggs is 792. Okay, so see here, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So profit is equal to 792 minus 720, profit is equal to 72. Profit is equal to 72. So profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So profit is 72, cost price is 720 into 100%. Okay, so 72 ones are 72 tens are, so 0 0 cancel, 10% profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage is 10%. Okay, so option 1 is 15%, option 2 is 5%, option 3 is 20%, option 4 is 10% is correct answer. So here, see here, they purchased 12 dozen of eggs. So each egg cost is 5 rupees. Then total cost for 12 dozens is 720. Okay, right. So 12 eggs broken means 1 dozen eggs are broken. So selling price of each egg is 6 rupees. Then selling price of 1 dozen eggs is 72. Okay, then selling price of 11 dozens of eggs is 792. Okay, so this is the selling price 792 and this is the cost price. Okay, so what is the profit percentage means profit by cost price into 100%. So profit by cost price into 100%, we get 10% profit. So option 4 is correct. So I think, is it clear? Okay, shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question here. A certain number of people are sitting in a row, okay, facing north. A certain number of people sitting in a row facing north. Facing north, see here. So east, west, north, south. Okay, so facing north. Facing north. Okay, D is to the immediate right of H. Okay, D is to the immediate right of H. So facing north means here D is immediate right of H. Okay, okay, right. A is third to the left of C. Okay, A is third to the left of C. Okay, C is here, first left, second left, third left. Okay, A is third to the left of C. Only 3 people sit between H and L. Only 3 people. Okay, only 3 people. See here, only 3 people sit between H and L. So 1, 2, 3, L. So we can raise 2 cases. So one case is this and second case is, so only 3 people sit between H and L. So L is fifth to the right of C. Okay, L is L is fifth to the right of C. So here we have A. So A is third to the left of C. Okay. So L is fifth to the right of C. So first right, second right, third right, fourth right. Here L. So L is fifth to the right of C. D is at extreme right end. Okay, see here. Is at the extreme right end of the row. So this is the left end. This is the left end. And here somewhere right hand. D is right hand. Okay, extreme right hand. So see here. Extreme right hand. Okay, so if you see that we have two possibilities between H and L. So we can write like the second, we can take second case. Why? Because there are three people between H and D. Sorry, L and H. Okay, so why we are taking this case means H is immediate left of D, D is immediate right of H. Okay, D is immediate right of H. Okay, right. So see here, what is our question? If no other person is sitting in the row, what is the total number of persons? So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So once again I will explain this question. See carefully. A certain number of people are sitting in a row facing north. Okay, facing north. Right. D is to the immediate right of H. Yes, D is immediate right of H. Okay, right. A is third to the left of C. So A is third to the left of C. First left, second left. A is third to the left of C. Only three people sit between H and L. Only three people sit between H and L. So 1, 2, 3. Only three people sit between H and L. L is fifth to the right of C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, L is fifth to the right of C. D is at extreme right end of the row. So D is at extreme right end of the row. Okay, so if there is no person is sitting in the row, what is our question? What is the total number of persons seated? So total number of persons seated is, okay, so 14 members, 14 people are seated in the row. So see the option 1, 16 is wrong, option 2, 18 is wrong, option 3, 12 is wrong, option 4, 14 is correct. Okay, option 4, 14 is correct. Shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question here. So this type of question is damn surely coming in the RRB Group D. So focus this type of question. Okay. Select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way as or the numbers in the following set. So there are two sets here. Two sets are in a certain logic. Which of the following option will follow the same logic? Okay. See here. What is the logic is here? Is anybody? Is there any? Is anybody can give the what is the logic is there in the set? Okay. Okay, I will tell. Okay, see here, what is the logic is? So, first number square plus third number square, okay, minus first number plus third number is the second number. Okay, first number square plus third number square minus first number plus third number, we get the second number. See here, 5 square 25 plus 7 square 49 minus 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 we get 12. Okay. So 25 plus 49. So 25 plus 49 we get 74. So 74 minus 12 we get 62. Okay. So I hope you can identify the logic here. First number square plus second number square, sum of first number square plus second number square subtracted with first number and second number, sum of first number and second number. So 5 square 20 square plus 7 square 49, 25 plus 49 is equal to 74 minus 5 plus 7 12. So we get resultant value is 62. Similar logic is here, see here. So 8 square plus 12 square minus 8 plus 12. So first number square plus third number square minus with first number plus third number. So see here, 8 square 64, 12 square 144. Okay. Minus 8 plus 12 we get 8 plus 12 we get 20. Okay, right. So 64 144 208 minus 20 208 minus 20. So we get 188. So see the logic is first number square, sum of first number square plus third number square subtracted with the sum of first number and third number we get the second number. So first number square plus the third number square subtracted with first number and third number we get the second number. So here is the logic is this. So which option will satisfy the same logic? If you see that here, you see here option 1, 9 square 81 plus 10 square 100. Okay. So first number, second number, first number 10 square 100 plus 81 minus 10 plus 9 19. So we get 181 minus 19 we get less than 181. Here the number is 181 is there. So option 1 is wrong. Okay, right. See the option 2, 6 square 36 plus 19 square 361 minus 6 plus 19. So see here 361 plus 36 we get 397. So 397 minus 25 we get somewhat 350 more than. So option 2 is also wrong. Okay, right. See the option 3, 11 square 121 plus 13 square 169 minus 11 plus 13 we get 24. So 21 plus 169 we get 290. So 290 minus 24 we get less than 240. Here the middle number is 390. So this is also wrong. These three are wrong. So once check the option 3, option 4. Once check the option 4. 7 square plus 9 square minus 7 plus 9. So 7 square 49 plus 9 square 81 minus 7 plus 9 16. Okay, so 49 plus 81 we get so 130. So 130 minus 16 we get 114. So we get 114. Yes, option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right. See the question. This question is based on average speed. Once see the question. Hariteja walked to his school at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour and returned on a scooter at 20 kilometers per hour. His average speed during the two-way journey is. So we need to find the average speed. Here the distance between school to her journey is same. Okay, right. So Hariteja walked to his school at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour and returned back with 20 kilometers per hour. So we have the average speed formula. So average speed is nothing but 2 into xy by x plus y. X is one speed, going speed, y is returning, coming back speed. So here 2 into, we can consider this is as x, this as y. So 2 into 4 into 20 by 4 plus 20. So 2xy by x plus y. So 2 into 4 into 20 by 24. Okay, right. So 4 5s are 4 6s are. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So there is no cancellation is there. So 4 5s are 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 kilometer per hour is the average speed. Okay. So what is the option? Option 1 itself correct. 20 by 3 kilometers per hour is the average speed. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. See the question here. In the given letter cluster pairs, the first letter cluster is related to the second letter cluster. Okay. Following the certain logic, study the given pairs carefully. From the given option, select the pair that follows the same logic. Here the first letter cluster is related some logic to second letter, and here also same logic. So which of the option will follows the same logic? Okay, right. So before going to discuss, I will write the alphabets. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, right. So these are the alphabets. Okay, right. See here. So first of all, see here HCM. HCM is written as MHR. Okay. So if you see that in the place of H, here they written M. So see that here H is there. Okay. Here H is there and they written M. If you see that, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Okay. So plus 5 means M. Okay. I will write like M. So H plus 5 we get M. So H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C in the place of the written H. Okay. C he is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C plus 5 we get H. So H. In the place of M, just add 5. Okay. Here the word M is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So R is written. So I hope you get the logic. What is the logic is there. So just add 5 alphabets to the code. Okay. H plus 5, C plus 5, M plus 5 we get. Okay. M plus 5 we get R. Okay. Similarly, see the second set here. FET. T is written as, see here, in the place of they written F, in the place of F they written K. One, see here, F is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so K is written. In the place of E, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so J is written. In the place of T, so in the place of T, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Y is written. Okay, so F plus 5, E plus 5, T plus 5, we get K, J, Y. So similarly, which option will follows the same logic? Okay, see that first we'll check just one letter in the option. Okay, so P plus 5 we get, we see what will we get. So P plus 5, so here P is there, here P is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the place of P, we need to get U is there. So no need to check other alphabets. Okay, once again, see here, here we have P. So P plus 5, P plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we need to get U, but in the option there is T. So damn surely we can say this is wrong. No need to check. Okay, see here, second option, U. First check only at only one alphabet. So U. So here U is there, plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Z is there. Okay. So plus 5. Z is correct. Okay. Right. Next, P. So P is there here. So we have here in the place of P. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, U is also correct. P plus 5 we get U. Okay, right. So U plus 5 we get Z. Next P plus 5 we get U, and J plus 5. Okay, so J plus, here J is there, plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O is there. So J plus 5 we get O. So option 2 itself satisfies the same logic. Okay, option 2 is correct. I hope you clear what is the logic is there. So each alphabetic letter is added with 5. Okay, so we get the second set of series. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question. Ramesh invested 1232 at 5% per annum of simple interest in a bank. What amount will he get after 3 years? Okay, so what amount he will get after 3 years? So here the principal is 1232. We need to find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So they are taking 5% per annum for 3 years. So it is a simple interest. So 5% per annum means, so for 1 year 5%, for 2 years 10%, for 3 years we get 15%. Total interest is 15% on the principal. Okay, right. So this is the principal 1232. So just add 15 value. Okay, no need to take the PTR by 100. Okay, so 10%, just so add 15% to this value. So first I am dividing this as 10, 5, 10%, 5%. 10% is equal to 123.2, just one decimal point. Okay, just place a one decimal point. Okay, then 5% means of 10% we have 123.2, just half it we get 5%. So 2 6 okay, 2 1s and 2 6. So this is the 10%, this is the 5%. So we get, this is the 15%. Okay, this is the 15%. So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Simple interest is 184.8. Okay, so 0.8 6 1 4, right. So amount is equal to 1416.8, 1416.8. So option 1 is correct, 1416.8. Okay, no need to write PTR by 100. So just here we have 5% per annum. We are calculating for 3 years. So 5 3s are 15%. So 15% means just 10%. First take the 10%. So 123.2 is the 10%. In that we get off, 61.6 is off. So if we add this value, we get, okay, so 184.8. 184.8 is the 15% of this amount. Okay, so amount is principal plus simple interest. So option 1 is 1416.8 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, this question is based on ratios. Okay, so see here, the monthly incomes of two friends, Anu and Matthew, are in the ratio 5:7. This is the respective ratio of monthly incomes of Anu and Matthew. Okay, right. And each of them saves 10,000 rupees every month. Okay, each of them saves 10,000 rupees for every month if the ratio of their expenditure is 2:3. Okay, they given the expenditure ratio. Find the income of Anu. Okay, right. So I can write like this, 5x by 7x. 5x is the income of Anu, 7x is the income of Matthew. Okay, after saving 10,000, okay, after saving 10,000, why I am subtracting 10,000 means, okay, so income is equal to, sorry, okay, income is equal to expenditure plus savings. Okay, expenditure plus saving is equal to income. Okay, so this is the income, just subtract these savings, we get expenditure. Okay, so income is income minus savings, we get expenditure. Okay, right. So 5x and 7x are the incomes of Anu and Matthew. Just to subtract the savings, we get the expenditure ratio already they given in the question. Okay, right. So just cross multiplication, we get 15x minus 30,000 is equal to 14x minus 20,000. Okay, right. So send 14x to the left side. X is equal to, we get 10,000. X is equal to 10,000. What is our question? What is the income of Anu? Anu's income is 5x. So 5 into 10,000. Why? Because x is 10,000. So 50,000 is the income of Anu. If you need to find out the income of Matthew is 70,000. So what is our question? Income of Anu. Income of Anu is 50,000. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. So the question is based on syllogisms. See the statement and conclusions. Which option will satisfy the question? Okay, right. See the question. Some purses or keys. Okay. So some purses or keys. Some purses or keys. Okay. Lockers or keys. Okay. Just first of all, I am writing all lockers. Okay. All lockers or keys. Okay. All lockers or keys. Some purses or keys. Okay. Right. So all keys or pins. Okay. So by all keys or pins. So this is the given statement. Once again, see, some purses or keys. Yes, some purses or keys. Okay, right. All lockers are keys. Yes, all lockers are keys. Okay. All keys are pins. Yes, all keys are pins. This is the Venn diagram for the statement. So what are the conclusions they given? Some pins or purses. Okay. Some pins or purses will satisfy. Yes, some pins or purses is there. Okay. Option 1 is okay. Follows. No pin is purses. No. So some pins are purchased is true, then automatically no pin purchase is false. Okay. So there is a relation, there is a specific diagram is there for some pins or purchases. Okay. So only conclusion 1 follows. Okay. See the options here. Here we are seeing only conclusion 1 is follows. Okay. Option 3 is correct. Next question. So here also one more question is given on syllogisms in the question. Okay, in the same question paper. Okay, see that some beds are tables. Okay, some beds or tables. Some beds or tables. Some tables are cupboards. Some tables are cupboards. Some cupboards are chairs. Some cupboards are chairs. So what are the conclusions given? Some chairs are beds. Here chairs is there, here beds is there. We cannot say there is a relation between some beds or chairs. So this is wrong. Okay, right. Next, some beds are cupboards. So here beds is there, here cupboards is there. We cannot say some beds are cupboards. Okay. So both conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 doesn't follows. See the here. Option 1 only conclusion 2 follows, no. Option 2 both conclusion 1 and 2 follows, no. Option 3 only conclusion 1 follows, no. So which option is there? Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Okay. So option 4 is correct. Next question. See the question here. L, M, N, O, P, Q and R. So L, M, N, O, P, Q and R are sitting in a straight row facing north. Okay. So some of them, okay, all are facing north, east, west, north, south. Okay, right. So L, M, N, O, P, Q and R. Let us see how many members are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, totally here there are 7 members are there. So all are facing north. Okay, only 3 people sit between Q and N. Okay, so only 3 people sit between Q and N. So we get 2 cases. So this is case 1 and we get another case for this statement, that is here. Okay, only 3 people sit between N and Q. So this is the case 1 and this is the case 2. Okay, right. See here, M and O are immediate neighbors. M and O are immediate neighbors. Okay, or immediate neighbors. O is at extreme right end of row. Okay, O is M and O are immediate neighbors. O is at extreme end right end. Okay, so this is only one case we get. Why? Because there are one more case is there, O and M and O, but they given O is at extreme right end. They are facing towards north direction. So right end means here. So M O. So this is the correct, only one case we get. So we cannot take this case. Why? Because O is at extreme right end. Okay, right. Next, see that R is the immediate left of N. R is the immediate left of N. We can write here one possibility, and we can write here also immediate left of. Okay, right. So right, see that who is the fifth position. Suppose here I am taking here Q. There are 3 people between Q and N. Okay, right. Once again, see statement. L, M, N, O, P, Q and R are sitting in a straight line facing north. Only 3 people sit between Q and N. Okay, only 3 people sit between Q and N. M and O. So here we have 7 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Suppose I am writing here M, O. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So if right, see that here are immediate, M and O are immediate neighbors. O is at extreme end of right. R is the immediate left of N. Okay, so if we write here, okay, suppose if we take here, if you take the second case, R and 1, 2, 3, 4, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you write M O here, we get 8 people. Okay, if you write M O here, we get 8 people. So case 2 is wrong. So take case 1. So right, what is our question? Who is the fifth position from the left end? So this is the left end and this is the right end. This is the right end. So who is the fifth from the left end? So here I am writing already right hand, first from left to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here N is the fifth position. M is the fifth position from the left end. So option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Next question. Right. See the question here. This question is based on partnership question. See the question. Mr. Sharma, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Sinha. Okay. Mr. Sharma. Okay. Mr. Gupta, Mr. Sinha. Okay, Miss Sinha. Right. Are invested 4,000, 8,000, 6,000, 4,000, 8,000, 6,000 in a business. Okay. Mr. Sharma left after 6 months after he left. Okay. If after 8 months, okay, here the time period also given. If they didn't given the time period, we consider it as 1 year. If they given after 8 months, they are gain 34,000. They gain 34,000. Okay. Then what will be the share of Mr. Gupta? We need to find the share of Mr. Gupta. So they didn't given the time for Gupta and Sinha. We can take they are in the business for 8 months. So only they given the information of Sharma for they have business in 6 months. After 6 months they left. So what is the value of 6 months in 8 months? Okay, what is the value of 6 months in 8 months? So 2 3s are 2 4s are. So 3/4 of time is there in the business. Okay, Mr. Sharma is in business in 3/4 of time. So remaining persons are in 1 period, means that is 8 months. So profit ratio can be calculated by using investment ratio, investment into time. So here the investment of Mr. Sharma is 4,000. They are in business 3/4 of time period. Okay, so 3/4 of time period is 2. So this is the investment of Mr. Sharma and time period of Mr. Sharma. So here investment of Gupta, time period we can consider as 1 period. Why? Because I am taking 8 months as 1 period. 6/8 we can get 3/4. Okay, right. So next 6,000 Sinha investment 6,000 into 1 period. So 4 ones are 4 tens are. So here they are giving in profit ratio is 3,000 is to 8,000 is to 6,000. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 tens are, 3 into 1,000 we get 3,000. 8,000 into 1, 8,000, 6,000 into 1. So zeros, 0, 0 cancel. So profit ratio is 3 is to 8 is to 6. We can write 3x plus 8x plus 6x. So 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17x. So they divide the total profit into 17 equal parts. But they given the profit amount is 34,000. Just divide with 17. 17 ones are 17 twos are. So X is nothing but 2000. Each share is 2000. So here profit, I am taking one P1 is to P2 is to P3. So P1 for Sharma, P2 for Gupta, P3 for Sinha. Okay, right. They are receiving 3x is to 8x is to 6x. Okay, this is the profit ratio with respect to investment amount as well as with respect to time. So we need to find the what will be the share for Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta is P2. Okay, Mr. Gupta is 8x. So 8x, x is equal to 2000. 8 into 2000 we get 16,000. Okay, 8 into 2000 we get 16,000. Option C, that option 4 is correct. So Mr. Gupta's share in the business, profit share in the business is 16,000. Okay, right. Next question. Right here, see the question. One more question is there. L, G, K, P, H, and Z. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So L, G, K, P, H, and Z live on 8 different floors. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are live in 8 different floors. Okay, right. 8 different floors of the same multi-story building with 2 floors being vacant. So in that 8 floors there are only 6 persons, 2 floors are vacant, means empty. Okay, the lowermost floor in the building is numbered 1. Okay, then the floor above it 2 and so on. Okay, the lowermost building is number 1 and 2, 3, 4 up to 8. Okay, right. So what is the given information is H lives on floor number 1. Okay, direct given the given information about H. H lives on floor number 1. K on number 2. K on number 2. P on number 8. Okay, so P on number 8. P is on number 8. One immediate floor above and one immediate floor below Z are vacant. Okay, this is the Z. One is above of Z, one below of Z are vacant floors. Okay, above of Z, below of Z are vacant floors. Okay, right. G's floor is immediately above of L. Okay, G's floor is immediately above of L. Okay, right. L which lies, sorry, G's floor is immediately above the floor on which lies. G floor is also immediately below of P. Here P is there, here G is there. G is immediate above of L and immediate below of P. So only 3 positions is pending. So fit these position in the 3. So directly by seeing itself we can write Z here. Why? Because here empty is there. Why? Because immediate above of Z, immediate below of Z is empty. So this is the different persons live on 8th floor building. Okay. So what is our question? Who lives on floor number 4? So who lives on floor number 4? Z lives on floor number 4. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. So right, next shall we move to the next question? Right, okay. See the question here. Once see the question, anybody can comment the answer in the comment section. See, which of the following number will replace the question mark and complete the given series? This is the number series. At least we are seeing minimum to minimum 1 question. In some cases we are seeing 2 questions in number series. Okay, so practice as more as a number series problem. At least we are seeing 1 question. In some cases we are seeing more than 1 question. Okay, here the question is 45 comma 52 comma 61 comma 73 comma 90, and we need to find the next number. First see the difference here to here. So what is the difference? 52 minus 45. So we get the difference here 7. And here to here what is the difference? 9. And here to here 73 minus 61 we get 12. Okay, so see the difference here. What is the difference? So 52 minus 45 we get 7, 61 minus 52 we get 9, 73 minus 61 we get 12, 90 minus 73 we get 17. Okay, if you see that, see again that one more time distance here. So here we get 2, here we get 3, here we get 5. If you see that here we are getting the difference of prime numbers. Okay, so here to here we get the difference 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. Just add this prime number to the 17, we get 24. Just add this 24 to the 90, we get 90 plus 24, 114. So 114 is the value in the question mark. So option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D in the session August 22nd in shift 2, in the shift 3. So these are the some questions. If you want to see some more questions in the same paper, or if you want to see questions on RRB, just like, subscribe our YouTube channel MSMF to get more updates on RRB Group D paper. Okay, thank you for watching.